In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Excel data and charts into PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start with the first step, which is opening both your Excel file and your PowerPoint presentation. You'll want to have them both open side by side, as this will make it much easier to transfer your data smoothly. Now, let's say you have some data in Excel that you want to showcase in your PowerPoint. First, go to your Excel spreadsheet and select the range of cells that contain the data you want to use. This could be anything from a small set of numbers to a large data set. Once you've highlighted that area, right-click and select Copy. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. Now that you've copied your data, switch over to your PowerPoint presentation. Navigate to the slide where you want to insert this data. Click on the slide to make sure it's selected, and then right-click on the slide. You'll see several options appearing in a context menu. Here, you want to look for Paste. When you click on it, you might see multiple paste options pop up. One of the great features of PowerPoint is that it allows you to paste data in different ways. You can choose to keep the Excel formatting or merge it with the PowerPoint style. If you want to keep the original Excel formatting, select Keep Source Formatting. If you prefer that the data matches the style of your presentation, go for Use Destination Styles. Once you paste it, you can reposition the data as needed. Just click and drag it to wherever you want it on the slide. And if you need to resize it, grab the corners of the data box and pull it in or out until it fits perfectly. Next, let's talk about charts. If you already have a chart created in Excel and you want to show that in your PowerPoint, the process is very similar. Go to your Excel sheet and click on the chart to select it. Just like before, right-click and choose Copy. Then, head back to PowerPoint. Navigate to the same or a different slide where you want to display your chart. Right-click again on the slide and select Paste. If you want to keep your chart linked to the original Excel file, choose the option that says Paste Link, which will also allow the chart to update if changes are made to the original Excel data. After pasting your chart, just like with your data, you can adjust its position and size. Make sure it's placed nicely where it can be easily seen. If you notice that the chart doesn't look right or needs some adjustments, you can double-click on it, and it will allow you to edit it within PowerPoint. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully inserted Excel data and charts into your PowerPoint presentation. Don't forget to save your work before closing both applications. This way, you ensure that all your hard work is secured. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.